So I just
Okay, here we go.
Yeah, I finished on the second one. This one's bad.
So a car company introduces a new car for which the number of cars sold, S, is modeled by the function blah, where T is the time in months.
Good morning, Brooklyn. Good morning, Harvey.
Yes, hi Brooklyn and Harvey. Find the value of S prime of 2.5 using correct units. Explain what the value represents in the context of this problem. Okay, this, by the way, is a calculator active problem.
What is that?
It just means that you can use a calculator. And so,
Let me get
Faith, grab a calculator.
I think I actually like having back up on this side. So if I'm going to run with it.
Did you have a bunch of word problems on that?
Oh my gosh, I didn't want to read it.
Okay, so S
I'm
prime
in the same numbers.
of 2.5.
Yeah.
We can actually just figure this out on our calculator.
What's the button?
You don't have to do it any other way because this is a calculator active problem. You don't have to show that work, you just have to plug it in. My advice, because usually when you have these problems, they're free response question problems. And so it's best to put this in as Y1 because it's probably going to come back later. So into Y equals, we're going to type in this. Now to make a fraction, remember that's alpha Y equals, if you want to type in 9 over T plus 2 as a fraction, which you use X, yeah.
Oh, I was using that alpha Y equals on the ACT though.
Sweet.
For the
There was a lot of
absolute value.
Yeah, I did do that.
Okay, then second quit, get out of there. Once you get that typed into your Y equals, quit is the mode button right next to it.
Where?
And then do you remember how to find a derivative on your calculator?
Alpha Y equals also.
It's under math. It's number 8.
Yeah.
Math is right under alpha.
2.
Okay.
And then you put in and then it says 2.
Yep, so d dx, and then you type in y1.
Oh,
Where's the one?
I don't have to.
And now to do y1, if you do alpha, I gotta find it.
Oh, I don't have a D.
Alpha trace.
It's, hold on. D over what?
Oh,
X, dx, because it's in terms of x.
and
What?
X equals 2.5.
Yes.
How do you put one more again? I'm sorry. I'm gonna
To put y equals, you type alpha trace.
Hopefully I'll remember this next time because I always think about it and I'm like,
We'll do it a lot.
This is a big number.
There's what it looks like. You type it in.
Yeah.
So what you got?
Yeah. Ow.
If it's not, check your y equals. Anybody not get that?
I got it.
For once I learned how to work my calculator.
And then here, I'll put the y equals up there so you can see it. If I can hold my iPad steady. All right. Oh, hi. Hi. I probably just broke the wall. Sorry.
I consent. I think we signed it. Technically, at the beginning of the year, we did sign a form.
I was gonna say, I'm pretty sure we signed it for.
I thought we had to sign that form.
Yeah. So technically, you're not breaking no laws.
There we go. I'm not breaking no dollars. Okay.
At least we know what we signed.
Okay, right? 133.333.
9.
Yes, you can put more if you want to, but they're not going to grade after 3.
That was 2.
Which 3?
No, it is 3. It is
Because there's
always
a 3 after it. So it doesn't do
Which 3?
3. After the decimal, the third
the
one.
fourth 3.
Daniel.
3, 3, 3, 3.
Okay, using correct units. Explain what this value represents. Let's read the problem. A car company introduced a new car,
Sold over time.
which the number of cars sold, so that's what this is modeled by the function where T is the time, yes.
Is it SD over TD?
And
Yeah, but
months.
we need it in like units. So this is
Per month.
after how long?
A month. Months. 2.5 months.
Whoa,
After 2.5 months,
that's a pretty good dealership.
We came back to school.
the cars are being sold at a rate of 133.333 what? Cars per
Only 3 months per car.
per what?
Month.
Yes.
How do you sell one?
That just needs to be 134.
Yeah, if you put 133, that would have been fine.
No, you can't. This is like a people thing. You can't have half a person.
That is true. If you'd have put 133, that would have been fine.
Oh, you can't put 134 because
It doesn't round up.
That's
Yeah.
a pretty good dealership.
Right?
133.
That's like in
they're not promising you.
Austin, Texas or something, or maybe Nashville.
They're not promising you a white Christmas you didn't call. Promise you that dealership was not.
Okay, B. Find the average rate of change of cars sold over the first 12 months. Indicate correct units of measure and explain what this value represents.
Now it's
Which
at
we
the time
just
of
changed
12.
12 with 2.5.
Well, no, it's average rate of
Yeah.
change, which is different than derivative. Derivative is instantaneous rate of change. Average rate of change is going to go from, for the first 12 months, would be from 0 months to 12 months.
So I have to do as prime involvement.
You have to do like a slope.
Oh,
That's
Or
what
just
rate
pick
of
2
change.
points.
You have to graph it.
So, no, you just do S of 12 minus S of 0 over 12 minus 0.
Oh,
Now you can type that into your calculator. To do S of 12, you can do alpha trace and do the Y1 again. And in parentheses, put 12.
that's an interesting one.
All right.
Is it not giving
I'm
you-
going to change it into a decimal.
How do you do that?
It just type it in 9,150 divided by 7
Like, why did it just not give you this?
because we typed it in as a fraction.
Okay, well, I should know that I just want this.
And then, do you guys know that you can, I don't know if you can see but you can cursor up into where it says Y1 of 12, cursor up there and hit enter,
Yes.
and it'll put it back down here and just change that to 0. And that's 150.
And then you just click this button minus this. No. Yes.
Yeah,
This button minus this.
over 12. So I can cursor up. I can hit enter on the 1307 minus 150
96.
divided by 12, 96.429. Yep. Okay, so that's the average rate of change of the car sold over the first 12 months.